Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee using a kettle. Start by gathering your pour-over cone, a scale, and your favorite mug. Next, measure out about 25 grams of fresh, whole bean coffee. Grind these beans to a consistency resembling table salt, which is crucial for proper extraction. Finally, heat your water in a gooseneck kettle to a precise temperature between 200 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. This initial preparation sets the stage for a perfect cup. Now, carefully place your freshly ground coffee into the filter-lined pour-over cone. Using your gooseneck kettle, slowly pour about 50 grams of hot water over the grounds, just enough to saturate them completely. This initial pour is called the bloom. Let it sit for 30 to 45 seconds. You'll see the coffee expand as carbon dioxide escapes. This step is vital for a balanced and flavorful brew. After the bloom, continue pouring the remaining water in a slow, steady, circular motion, starting from the center and spiraling outwards. Aim to add water in increments of about 100 grams, allowing each pour to filter through before adding more. Keep the water level consistent, never letting the coffee bed dry out completely. This controlled pouring ensures even extraction and prevents channeling, leading to a smoother taste. Once you've reached your target of 375 grams of water, stop pouring and let the remaining water fully drain through the coffee bed. This usually takes around 3 to 4 minutes in total. Remove the pour-over cone and discard the used grounds. Now, your meticulously brewed coffee is ready to be enjoyed. Take a moment to appreciate the rich aroma and exquisite flavor of your handcrafted beverage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.